Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In this video here I am going to show you how to capture an image using inbuilt camera application on a device. Every device contains a default camera application. If the camera is not the major part of your application, you can use the inbuilt camera application on a device. So here in this video I am going to show you how to use an inbuilt camera app for capture an image. So we can start with a new Android Studio project. So here the project is created. So first thing, we have to specify the camera feature in Android manifest.xml. So you can use the XML attribute users feature. Now specify the feature name. Here it is, hardware.camera. So here we have a camera and camera 2. Camera is deprecated, but we can still use that one. I will show you camera 2 usage in another example. So here specify record into true. This will restrict your application on devices which has a camera in Google Play Store. Okay, so now we can create the layout for the application. First I change the root element into a linear layout. Now specify the orientation. Okay, here I add a button. Specify text on it. Take a picture. Now specify an on-click method. I name it as take picture. Now align this one at the center. Now specify a margin at the top. Okay, now for display the image, create an image view with height and width into 250 dp. Now specify an SRC for testing the image view. Okay, align the image view at the center. Now specify a margin at the top. Okay, now specify an ID for it. I name it as image view. So this is the layout. Now implement this method inside activity. Okay, so first we have to initialize the button and image view. So we can initialize the variable for image view. I name it as image view. Now I'm going to create an integer variable. This is for request another application to capture an image. I name it as request image capture. Initialize with one integer value. Okay, now we can initialize the image view. Okay, so we can start another application using an indent object. So create an indent object. So here our intention is to capture an image. So you have to specify the action for the indent. Media store into action image capture. So now we can we have to check is there is any application capable of handle this indent, otherwise your application crash. So you have to check this condition. In that case we can start activity. So we have to use start activity for result method. Now second parameter is the integer request. Okay, so in order to receive the result from the other application, we have to override a method called onActivity for result. OnActivity result. So here we have the data available on this indent parameter called data. So we can retrieve the data. For that, create some variables for bundle. Data.get extras. Now we can get the bitmap from the extras. Extras.get. Specify key as data. Now typecast this one into bitmap. Okay, now we can display the image on the image view. So set image bitmap. So now we have to add all these things inside some condition. So if request code is our request variable is image request image capture, and result code is okay. Result code is result okay. In that condition we can handle the data. Okay, so now we can test the project. So run the project. Okay, now the application available on this virtual device. Now try to take an image. So this is the inbuilt camera application on this device. So now capture image. Now click OK. Okay, now the image available on this image view. But this is not a good quality image. This is a simple bitmap suitable for icons. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you for watching.